Hello, everyone. Welcome back for your week 13 of PE. So, this week we are going to do some turkey fun. For the students at school, we are continuing with our hockey unit, striking with a long handled implement. It has taken us a little while to get through everything we wanted to, so we are extending it another week. So for you guys, I have pretty much given you everything that I could find for you to work on striking with the long-handled implement. And so for many of you, that was your broom. You were striking with your broom. Some of you, it could have been pool noodles. If you had a hockey stick, maybe that was something you were using. So hopefully you feel like you have mastered that skill. You understand how to hold the hockey stick, how to control it, how to strike the object and send it in the intended direction. If you do not feel like that you have mastered that skill yet and you would like to do the activities again, just go to last week's activity and go through the activities that I gave you last week and just do those again. Otherwise, if you feel like you have mastered the long-handled striking with an implement, then we're going to move on to some turkey fun. So for this week, you're going to, as your warm-up, you are going to do Would You Rather Thanksgiving. So you are going to, this one says, what would you rather dress up as on Thanksgiving? And so you're going to have 8 seconds to decide, would I rather dress up as a turkey or pilgrims? And then, so she pretty much explains to you how to do the warm up, but it's basically, would you rather, you're going to pick the picture on this side or the picture on the right side. And then after that, based on which option you picked, you have an exercise that you're going to do for 30 seconds. The next activity you're going to do after that is called I Spy Thanksgiving. And as it says here, for 30 seconds, do the exercise of the number you thought you counted in the image. So let's go back to slide 1. So you're going to do this, I Spy Thanksgiving. You will get 30 seconds to look at the picture and count how many images you see. For 30 seconds, do the exercise of the number you thought you counted in the image. So for example, this one, I spy how many turkeys. Here's your counter, turkeys like this. So you're going to look in this picture and you're going to try to count how many turkeys you see in this picture. Okay, so our time is up. I saw 4. I'm not sure how many you saw. So we go to the next slide. I spy. If you saw 6, you're doing this. If you saw 5, you're doing this. If you saw 3, you're doing this exercise. If you saw 4 like Miss Best, this is the exercise that I'm going to do. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds. So we're going to let it count down. And then we'll take a look at another one. Okay, so timer was up, so we'd stop. You're going to, you can either click down here for the next slide, right? Or for me, I just rolled my mouse to the next slide, right? And then they show you that answer 4, the number 4 was the correct answer, okay? So we look at the next one, okay? Now I'm looking for pumpkin pies that look like this. You have 30 seconds, right? All right, so that pretty much shows you how to do that. There are lots of slides. There are lots of I Spy things that you are looking for in that activity. And then remember 30 seconds of however whatever number you picked that you saw. And then at the next slide, we'll tell you what the correct answer was. So hopefully you have some fun with that, get to do some different exercises, something different where you're spying, trying to look at pictures closely to see if you can find the correct number of objects. If you have time left and want to go over to kindergarten and second grade side, their warm up is the same that you did. But this one, create a hand turkey, is kind of like this or that, but it adds in some drawing with some exercise. So if that's something that you would like to do and you have time left, go ahead and do that. Or the turkey fitness with Yo-Yo. We did some exercising with Yo-Yo around Halloween time. So this is just a Thanksgiving version. So have some fun, something different. And I look forward to seeing you next week with more Thanksgiving activities. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.